The beautiful and lovely Princess Nicole. I really love her surprise hugs all the time.
My name is Nicole. Today is a really special day for me. I am finally graduating. I am so happy to share this proud moment with my family. They are my everything, and every moment we spend together is precious. My big brother Lucas is my best friend, and he is my role model. Because of their love, I have learned and grown so much. During my 3 years at Uncle Jason, especially learned how to be a good friend now. I am good friend with everyone. My best buddy are Cindy and Rosita. We share toys and everything together. I love kindergarten very much. My favorite color is blue, and I love wearing my beautiful dress. With my kindness and sweetness, I just like a true princess. I can't wait to spread my wings in elementary school. Everyone at Uncle Jason will always have a special place in my heart. Thank you all so much. See you soon.